Most people are chasing trends that peaked years ago. They're still trying to cash in on industries that are already saturated. But the real money in 2026? Well, it's quietly shifting into 3 industries that almost no one's talking about yet. In this video, I'm going to break down what those industries are and how you can position yourself early before they blow up next year. But before we get into that, here's something that most beginners never understand. If you've been grinding online but not seeing results, it's probably not your work ethic that's the issue, it's your timing. You can do everything right, build funnels, post content, and even run ads. But if you're in a market that's cooling down, then you're swimming against the current. So the smart move is to get ahead of the wave before it crests. So stay with me because I'll show you exactly which 3 industries are set to explode in 2026 and how you can quietly build your system before everyone else piles in. And just quickly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Also, drop a comment below. I personally read every single one. AI isn't hype anymore, it's infrastructure. It's doing for the 2020s what the internet did for the early 2000s. Every creator, business owner and brand is now hunting for ways to automate, and that's where you can step in. The number of AI tools with affiliate programs is skyrocketing. ChatGPT+, Jasper, Opus Clip, Descript, Notion AI, and hundreds more. And most of them are reoccurring, meaning you earn monthly commissions for every user you refer. So if you create content that helps people save time, earn faster, or create better, then AI becomes your gateway to predictable compounding income. Think videos like top 5 AI tools that save 10 hours a week, AI tools that every small business should be using, and how I automated 80% of my workflow with AI. The key is to niche down. Don't just talk about AI, talk about AI for creators, AI for real estate, AI for students, because the smaller your lane, the faster you'll own it. We'll circle back to how to find the perfect lane, but first, let's look at a market that's quietly becoming a $1 trillion powerhouse. The health and wellness industry is massive. It's valued at over $5 trillion globally, and it's still growing every single year. But here's the twist. The new wave of wellness isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. People want more focus, they want better energy and longer lifespans. They're done with crash diets and caffeine overloads. Instead, the focus is on shifting towards things like biohacking, nootropics, recovery, sleep optimization, and natural performance enhancement. That's where entrepreneurs, athletes, and even regular working people are spending serious money right now. It's not about looking better, it's about operating better. This opens the door for affiliate marketers to partner with supplement brands, wellness programs, and health tracking apps. You don't need to be a fitness influencer to do this either. You just need to document what works for you and share your results honestly. If people trust your journey, then they'll trust your recommendations. And it's important to remember that this niche is future-proof. This industry will never stop growing. Health, energy, and performance are universal desires. The products evolve, but the need never goes away. Now let's move to the 3rd industry that's going to explode even harder in 2026 because it's fueled by something deeper than profit. Right now, millions of people are waking up to one truth. Job security is gone. AI and automation are reshaping the workplace and people are desperate to learn new monetizable skills fast. That's why the online education industry is projected to pass $1 trillion globally by 2028, and it's accelerating right now. From sales and digital marketing to freelancing, coding and mindset, people want to escape the 9-to-5 trap and build skills that give them real freedom. So here's where affiliates win big. Course creators and digital education companies offer some of the highest paying programs online. $50, $100, even $500 commissions are common. And unlike physical products, you're selling transformation, not transactions. So instead of saying, here's a course you should buy, you show people what it can do for them. You're not just the affiliate, you're the guide. And when you position yourself that way, you build long-term trust, not just one-off clicks. So how do you catch these industries before they explode? Well, there's 3 steps. The first step is to pick one industry that genuinely excites you. You'll only stay consistent if you actually care about it. Making content for something you have no interest in at all is a chore, and it will eventually cause you to burn out. The second step is to build a simple funnel. One freebie, one bridge page, and one offer. That is all you need. You don't need a massive setup, you just need motion. And personally, I've found that simple 3-page funnels convert more people than complicated funnels. And the final step is to create short form content around problems people are already searching for. Not viral trends, actual solutions. That's how you quietly build momentum while everyone else waits for the perfect moment. And by the time these markets hit full hype in 2026, you'll already be the person people come to for answers. Now, the secret to turning any of these industries into income is having the right system behind it. That's why I put together a free affiliate starter pack. It includes my funnel templates, pre-written emails, and traffic playbook, so you can start building in one of these industries today. You can download it now, completely free, using the link in the description, and tell me below which of these industries are you most excited about for 2026. Is it AI? Is it health? Or is it education? I read every comment personally. And remember, don't just chase trends. Position yourself before the wave hits. That's how you earn big in 2026. And finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.